foundation of peace, and that will be your strength. That will be what you depend on. The spiritual power. Believe. The natives like we are. At one time, we spoke the language. At one time, we conversed. Long time ago, those animals, those winners, they live in a state of absolute grace. They can do no wrong.
So it's very, very important that people take back their minds and that people analyze our dilemma in the context of the entire human story, from the descent onto the grassland to our potential destiny as citizens of the galaxy and the universe. It's up to each one of us to relate to this situation in a fashion that will allow us to answer the question that will surely be put to us at some point in the future, which is, what did you do to help save the world?